Are you looking to boost your strength, stamina, and overall performance naturally? Whether you're an athlete or just want to feel more powerful in your daily life, the right exercises can make all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 exercises that enhance performance without any shortcuts. 1. Squats. Squats are the king of all exercises. They build lower body strength, improve balance, and increase explosive power. Plus, they engage your core, making them a full body essential. 2. Push-ups. Simple but incredibly effective. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps while also improving core stability. They're perfect for building functional strength anywhere, anytime. 3. Deadlifts. Deadlifts target your posterior chain, your back, glutes, and hamstrings. This exercise improves posture, lifting power, and overall strength, making everyday movements easier. 4. Planks. If you want better endurance and stability, planks are a must. They strengthen your core, reduce injury risk, and enhance overall athletic performance. 5. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are excellent for upper body strength. They work your back, arms, and grip strength, helping you build a strong, balanced physique. Incorporating these 5 exercises into your routine can significantly improve your natural performance. Stay consistent, focus on proper form, and remember, real strength takes time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep pushing your limits.